Wait, what happened to your talkie?
You realize how bad it's gonna hurt? Yeah, I know.